How to use Family Link app review feature. So hello guys, today I'm going to show you how to use Family Link app review feature. So for that, head to your Google Family app. Now, if you have multiple children, just tap their name in the top left corner to switch their profile. Now, once you switch your child's profile, at the bottom left corner, tap Screen Time. Since I haven't added any device to my account, so you won't be able to see it on my screen. But if you have added, you'll be able to see app limits on your screen. Tap App Limits. Now here you can see a list of the apps your child has used and exactly how long they have spent on them. Now to block, tap the app you want to restrict and toggle the allowed switch to block. To allow, tap the app and toggle the blocked switch to allowed. You can also tap the hourglass icon next to an app to set a specific daily time limit for that application rather than blocking it entirely. So that's it for this video, guys. I hope this video is helpful. See you in my next one.